Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles cones at home. Preheat your waffle cone iron to medium-high, whisk a simple batter until smooth, and spoon a small circle into the center. Cook for about 45 to 60 seconds until golden, then quickly lift and wrap around a cone roller. Cool cones on a rack so they crisp fully, and repeat with the remaining batter for the best texture. Whisk a batter that pours easily but still holds its shape. Rest it for about 10 minutes so bubbles settle. Use melted butter for flavor, and add a teaspoon of vanilla with a pinch of salt to balance sweetness. Gently fold rather than vigorously beat to keep cones tender. If batter seems too thick, thin with a tablespoon of milk at a time until you reach the right pour. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Waffle water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you bake, and it fits easily on the counter. I find it handy when handling hot cones and cleaning up, and it keeps drinks cold for hours. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Work quickly when the wafer is hot, wrapping it around a cone roller or wooden dowel for even shaping and sealed edges. Let cones cool upright on a rack to preserve the curl and avoid sogginess. Store cooled cones in an airtight container at room temperature to keep them crisp for several days. If cones soften, reheat briefly in a 300 degrees F oven for a couple of minutes to restore crunch before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.